Hey there folks, I'm the Gulf Coast Granny, and me and my girl here are going down to the beach, and we're gonna watch the super moon rise. Actually, it's probably already risen, but I want to get a good video of it because Poppy's out of town, and we call this the first date moon. Whenever we first started dating, there was a gorgeous orange moon in the sky, and every time we see a first date moon, he says, "Look, honey, it's first date moon." And he gives me a kiss. So, since he's not here, we're gonna go film it. Y'all, how lucky am I that I'm able to come out here and look at this gorgeous view. There's our first date moon. It's not as bright and orange as it usually is because of the cloud cover and the fact that we got here just shortly after moonrise. But it's still beautiful. There's my girl. Thanks for watching, y'all.